Let's see what it is doing. So I will just click here. Okay, now it has been processing email from my event mitra. All these email it has been generated, demoing a AI assistant for email which will read your email, understand your email, draft your email, and even it will send your email. This is basically, it is a entirely automated one. But hey, welcome back to our channel, the AI Cross. Today I will be demoing one of the best use cases I think a lot of professional job holder or people have, like demoing a AI assistant for email which will read your email, understand your email, draft your email, and even it will send your email without being done anything manually. You can just click one button, or even you can schedule those jobs, it will be done automatically. So we will not waste our time. Let's dive into the demo directly. So as you can see my screen already, so there are 3 emails I have received. I have basically I have used another email to send 3 email to my own Gmail account. So these are the few different kind of email, like following up on my application, some product related review, then some like thank you email and everything. So now what I will do, I will just open the this is basically the front end which I have designed to demo. So if you'll see, it is showing email AI Pro. So now if you'll see this left hand side, it is nothing but few details which has been mentioned how I have done this. So now this side is basically image management system center. So now it is already giving the message like successfully connected to Gmail. That means it has been connected to my Gmail and found 20 recent email. I have given basically to find out the 20 recent email. Now I'll go ahead here, and now I think if you'll see, there are 3 email which I have got. So I will not go ahead with this Temu one, which is the another email. So I'll select 3 email, one, then another I will select this one, order one, then another following up on this application. So now I have selected these 3 emails. So now if you will see, these 3 emails are showing, you can see their contents and all, but I don't want to do anything here. Now what I will do, I will just click here, generate AI response and send. Now let's see what it is doing. So I will just click here. Okay, now it has been processing email from my event mitra. All these email it has been generated, and finally response sent. So now once it's sent, it is showing a message. So now let's go ahead and see what it has already sent. So now if I'll go to my sent email, I'll just refresh. Okay, now let's go. So this is the one email which I have got already. So what it has sent is this is the email info. So thank you for your kind email. I am glad to hear that you enjoyed the gift. Let's definitely plan to catch up soon. I have not given any instruction to that. So let's go ahead and check the other one, damaged item received. So dear my event mitra, I have acknowledged the issue with the damaged item in your recent order. I will assist you with the replacement process promptly. Thank you for providing the attached photo for the reference. So it is just giving a information. Okay, I already received the email. We will do something in the future. Now for the following of your application, dear my event mitra, thank you for reaching out. I look into the status of the application and provide you with an update shortly. So now basically I have not told anything. It has just created this. So now second thing I want to show you. So this is basically, it is a entirely automated one, but there might be some scenario we want to give some our own response also, like reply in a positive note, reply in a like a negative note, those kind of thing. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just go ahead, and what I can do, I will run this manual one, copy path, copy name. Let's see if it is running. Okay, yeah. So this is another screen, and this is basically little bit manual one. So what it will do basically, I will just showcase you something here. Okay, now it is also getting a lot of email here. So if you'll see, a lot of emails are there. So now I can select any one from this. So let's say I want to select no, not this one. I'll select this application. Okay, now it is showing me this is the application content. So now I can put my instruction here. Inform that application has been rejected in a polite manner. Okay, now generate reply. So it is generating a reply. So if you'll see, I have just given one line. It is saying, dear my friends, I hope the email finds you well. Thank you for your keen interest in the data engineering role at our organization. We appreciate the time you invested in the application. After a thorough review process, we regret to inform that you won't be moving forward with your application at this time. While your application or qualification are commendable, we have decided to proceed with other candidates who are closely fit in our requirement, and it is providing basically my email ID, everything, the closing note. Then I can click okay, send email. So now it has sent. So if we will go to the email, let me quickly go and see if it has sent already. Yeah, this is the email, it has been sent. Now quickly I will just walk through the setup, the code setup, what we have done. I will not go ahead with the deep, like to the very basis, because now once we'll get the ideas, you can do all of these things using any AI tool, ChatGPT or anything. Like just ask your requirement and all, you can get all the codes and all, just put like in a proper manner, you can do that. So if we'll go ahead and see here, so what I am doing here, these are basically Streamlight app. Here I am keeping my that UI functionality. What I was showing, basically clicking on that, it is giving me all the steps and all in a sequential, so just for a look and feel. So that the first one which I was looking into is this main.ui. So if you'll see here, so we are calling few functions from here. One is authenticating the Gmail, then fetching the Gmail, recent emails, then generating the reply, like what using the AI, then sending the email. So if you'll find here, so these are the function I am using. So this is the authentication Gmail. This is easy. You can just go ahead to the Gmail Google API part. There you can enable your Gmail API. Then you can easily generate a authentication JSON file there. Once you will get the JSON file here, it will be done. You just need to put this in a proper way here. Now coming to the second one, draft getting, basically fetching the Gmail. So once you will get that, then you can fetch the email with this function. So what I am doing, if you will see here, I am giving maximum 5 results. So basically I just need only 5 results from the latest 5 email. That you can increase. You can do 50, 100, whatever you want. Okay. Then the draft generator. If you'll see, this is the AI part which I am doing here. Like I am asking to the AI, I am using this OpenAI model GPT-4. So I am asking, use this, and I am giving some comment. Okay, address the sender as dear and the sender name. Then do not repeat the original email content. Keep your reply short, helpful, professional. This you can put in a lot of way. Like here I can tell a use cases. Here you can feed a lot of information to this AI here. Like let's say every time you want to use some particular data sets or particular text, that also you can put here. So that is the basically draft generator. And finally your email sender. This is nothing but basically using that same Gmail API and all. You will just send the email and it will deliver to the sender. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the demo and the code part. So now coming to where we can use this. I know there are a lot of third-party tools that they are doing this already. You can take a subscription, you can just onboard your Gmail and do that. But if you don't want to pay anything, because here I am just paying for the OpenAI API, that is very cheap. You can buy like might be a 500 rupees once, that will be last a long, because you don't want to reply on the every email. You can just set up that filter. Okay, I just want to reply on this emails. And coming to the use cases where you can use this, let's say you are running a small business, you are getting product inquiry from the customers, you can set up this. So they don't have to wait for that, they can just get the email. Once you will receive this email, I think in next 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you can schedule a job. In every 1 hour they will receive the reply. Replying to your like job applications, if you are applying a lot of job application, you are getting some details, or you are running a consultancy or something, a small consultancy, that also you can do. Like replying some feedback, like your customers are providing some feedback in a email or something, you can reply with the thanks note and everything. A lot of cases, I think automating a Gmail, that is, I think that will make your life more easier. It will save more time, and you can put those time in a other your important tasks and all. So yeah, this will surely help. Yeah, this can be enhanced a lot. Like you can add like ChatGPT API or Open API that can learn from those data also, so that in next onwards it can use those datasets to reply them. You can put in a like website or something, or you can run this in a cloud, and it will automatically run rather than running this in a local system and all. But yeah, this is fun to do that. Even if you are not using in a real-time life, I would suggest just do that. I can share you with all these codes and all. I will put this in my GitHub and all. I will share the link. So I'll put this, I'll remove all these your authentication part and all, but I can put that in my GitHub. I'll make that public, so you can just download and do some changes. You can try this out, because trying this out and when you will get the result, that is the fun part. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Will come up like these small use cases and tools which we are developing in coming days. Hope you like that, and if you are liking these contents and channel, then surely give us a like, share and subscribe, share with your friends, and give your valuable feedback. Like just go ahead to the video and give your feedback in the comment section. I will love to read that. Thank you. Bye bye.
Meet your AI email assistant, simplifying your inbox, one smart reply at a time.